Okay, folks, this is Steve A.B4L. Yeah, it's raining. We're pulling in here for the bank. You remember the bank, right? Oh, they got a mobile minis here over the back side. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shit boxes. They only had 1 or 2 before. So that means there's going to be more people coming in here to work. That's really what it means. Now, there's no traffic. And it says, danger, construction area, authorized personnel only, be safe. Okay? What are they talking about? The outside is finished. Now I'm going to loop. Danger, construction area, authorized personnel only. Attention, safety notice, project safety and health rules. This job site is a drug-free work zone. McFarland Construction requires the following. McFarland, this site is under 24-hour surveillance. Este sitio está bajo vigilancia las 24 horas. All visitors must sign in at the office trailer. Thank you. Todos los visitantes deben registrarse en la oficina de construcción. Gracias. Be safe. Now, what does this mean? I hope you could see that. Let me back up and go even more straight on it. Can you see that? What's going on? This is the addition. You see that green thing there? That wasn't there before. Why would they have that here? What are they going to tear out that they have to fill that up? The answer is nothing. Now, I went online, and when I asked what's going on here, they said Chase Bank. Chase Bank. You've heard of that. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not reading. So what's going to go on? Why do they have these signs? Why do you have to register to go in? Why is the back door blocked? Because the next phase is to construct the inside, and they're going to be bringing things in a lot of boxes, cartons, and whatever. And so there's going to be stuff that they have to throw in this green thing. Okay? I know my windshield's fogging up. I've been out on a long journey. So this is the next stage in the construction of the addition that's got just enough room to fit in. Steve A.B4L, just having fun, be nosy, saying see you in 73.